Jeremiah Campbell here with Detroi Waterproofing, a Brickworks property restoration company. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Detroi Waterproofing, but most importantly, why we do what we do here. When we originally started out, subcontracting work from other larger companies. 86% of the contractors out there are using subcontractors to complete the projects. What that means is the project is getting bid out to the cheapest cost. That is not a way to provide honest solutions for your home. You can't bid a project and have the cheapest bidder complete the project. Through that process, we saw the breakdowns in communications, the breakdowns in quality, and the end user, you, the customer, getting the short end of the stick. So we decided to bring everybody in-house. Every one of our guys are team members. They are trained by us. We hire, fire, promote, reward, and train within our core values. It's our process, it's our culture. We make sure that every one of our projects are done to not only your satisfaction, but our satisfaction, to make sure that we're doing things the exact way that they should be done. When we look at your foundation repair, or we look at something that needs to be done at your home, we make sure that we're using the highest quality products, the highest quality workmanship, and we're delivering it for you in a timely manner. One of the coolest parts about working with the Brickworks family is our culture. It's our undying, unwavering commitment to satisfy all of our customers at all costs. And sometimes it gets aggravating. Other times, and most of the time, it's extremely rewarding to be able to know that you're working with some of the most valuable professionals in the industry, some of the best team members out there. So we used to think that we were just here to provide honest solutions, and we 100% are. But most importantly, we're here to build success. We're here to build character. We're here to build lives. When we operated without core values, it was kind of like organized chaos. It was, there was no accountability, there was no structure involved. And you see that a lot in certain businesses, and especially in the construction industry. And we said, no, this isn't fun anymore. We saw the pain that we had by not raising our standards. And when we decided to sit down and write these core values, we took our top 3 team members and we encompassed every single thing that we loved about them, and that's how we got our core values. Positive attitude, one of the most exciting, and that's why it's our #1 core value. Positive attitude is everything. There's very few things in life that you do have control over. You may not be able to control what happens to you, but you can control how you react to it. And that's why here at Detroi Waterproofing, we absolutely know that you have to have a positive attitude. And we know when you walk in with a positive attitude, you know you're going to be able to conquer the world. There's nothing else that can get in your way when you're excited, when you're happy. Integrity, one of the most important things we can preach and we can instill in every one of our team members at Detroi Waterproofing. The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. As we continue to grow the company, we know that integrity has to come first. And we know that when you do, in construction, so many corners can be cut. And we know when we send one of our team members out to your project that we have checklists, we have processes in place that we know that your job is going to be handled correct. Over and over and over, we train this into each one of our team members' heads that no matter what, it's the integrity is doing the right thing no matter what, no matter who can see you or can't see you, doing the right thing when nobody's looking. Be ambitious. You gotta be hungry. You gotta want more out of life. And the reason this is one of our core values is we want every one of our team members to know what it looks like to want to progress in the company. We understand that the higher you move up the company, the more you gotta train guys that are newer than you. So when I say be ambitious, it's going to the next level to make sure that everything gets done properly, but most importantly, you're eager to learn. You're eager to want to be able to open up your horizons. And this is going to allow for expansion not only in the company, but in each one of our team members. Go the extra mile. Everything can get done, but we want to go above and beyond for each one of our customers. And when our projects look better when we leave than when we got there, that's going the extra mile. When there's 5% more of the project that we can do without charging the customer anymore, that's what we want. We want to not only, we used to think that we want to under-promise and over-deliver. Our motto today is over-promise and over-deliver, and that is going the extra mile. Accountability. The problem always starts with leadership and the solution's always with leadership. Without keeping anybody accountable, setting up matrix and KPIs to show each one of our team members exactly where they are allows us to give our customer the ultimate experience. When you are accountable and we know that we can count on you to provide every one of the other core values on not only the beginning, the middle, but including the end and follow up. Being able to show up, be where you are, say where you're going to be, and follow through is one of the most important core values. Teamwork. None of us can do this alone. And when we bring a new greenhorn, a new team member on, it takes the entire company to get them up to speed to be able to provide the customer experience. And when we come out to your house, we know that we need to rely on one another. Not one of us can do this alone. It takes our schedulers, it takes our material handlers, it takes the installers, it takes the entire team at Brickworks to come together to give our customers the ultimate experience. When you're able to show up and count on your fellow team member to do an above average, to do a spectacular customer experience, we know we can rely on one another, and that's why we push into our teamwork.